Alright, so here is the master plan. I have my Harbor Freight Hercules 20 volt brushless grinder, and I've spoken about trying to do this on another video. And what I want to do, whoa, kind of hard one-handed. So I want to put this on there and then grind some concrete a little bit for a test using the BAUER 20 volt shop vac. So let me get everything organized and we'll try that out and see, because when I'm doing tile repairs I have an oscillator, and I have this oscillating bit. You can see it's kind of aggressive, and I try to get the thin set off the floor when I'm doing a repair, because that doesn't make a shit ton of dust, whereas this makes a crap ton of dust. I mean, holy Toledo. So I want to try it out and see if that would work with the new dust cover I bought. I haven't put this on yet, so I'm curious to see how that's going to work out. So let me see if I can get that set up. Hold on a bit. Okay, well, nothing is ever as easy as it seems. It comes with these spacers, which I wasn't sure which one I needed. But I got it on there, and then it clamps on pretty tight, actually. And this obviously goes on here. All right, everything is tightened up as it's supposed to be. I'm just going to try this without the vacuum. Lots of dust. Awesome. That's what we need. Now I'm doing this one hand, so it's kind of digging in weird. That's all right. All right, so we got a vacuum and a battery. Okay, I don't know if you could see that, but the first part of the test worked out pretty good. The problem with the vacuum is it doesn't really have a HEPA filter, and therefore a lot of dust is coming out the end. But honestly, that's not a big deal. I have a lot of that hose, and I could run that outside, and that would be awesome. Where I could put the vacuum outside and bring the hose in and do my grinding. So I think the test is a success using the cordless grinder, this shield on here with the cup bit, and I didn't have it really leveled up anything nice or whatever, but you can see it kind of cut in here and ground into it a little bit. Not a big deal. And then the BAUER 20 volt shop vac, wet dry vac, worked really well also. So it has enough power to grab the dust and run it through the vacuum, which is a definite plus. And that gives me kind of a small dust-free type situation for doing ceramic tile repairs when I'm in someone's house and they have um, a chipped tile or two or three. So I'm pretty fucking pleased, actually. So you may be asking yourself, Mark, what is all this concrete for? So we're continuing this deck across here to this 2x6 you see. And so it'll be a 6-foot wide deck like the rest of the house has. And then this dirt area here will be a concrete slab being poured this weekend. And that's where the swim spa will be. So we'll be able to just come out this door or the other million doors on this house and step down into the swim spa. Or actually you have to kind of step up into it because it's probably a foot taller than our deck, which is fine. That keeps our dog from trying to get in and drown or whatever the fuck dogs do. We don't have little kids, but once in a while we have the grandkids. So there you have it. Success on the dust-free grinding solution for small tile repairs. Like I said, I don't need this for the big stuff because we have a giant vacuum cleaner and bigger grinders and everything that you don't have to put outside because it has 3 humongous HEPA filters on it. But for this, for anyone that does DIY or tile repairs or even maybe a little bit of grinding on concrete that's not, be hours of grinding, but just something you might need to grind down a high spot on a driveway or something where people don't want a bunch of dust, which nowadays in neighborhoods, that's becoming quite an issue also. You could do this, but mostly it's for interior use. And what I use it for is small grinding of thin set to set the new tiles, or maybe, small repairs and stuff like that on concrete, or anything like that. Scarify a small area like a bathroom so you can put thin set over it or something, or epoxy. So there you have it. I'm gonna wrap this up and I will get this posted and talk to you later. Bye bye.